Exercise 12.1, question number 4. A. Identify terms which contains x and give the coefficient of x. So first term here is y square x plus y. So here we have to write the terms which has x into that. So in this term there is no x, so we have only this term. So term with x is going to be y square x. Now coefficient of x, so whatever will be there along with the multiplication of x, that we have to write here. So here y square is the coefficient of x. Now second, 13y square minus 8yx. Now in first term there is no x. In second term x is there, so that term we are mentioning, minus 8y and x. Now minus 8y is the coefficient of x, so that we are writing here, that minus 8y. Third, x plus y plus 2. In last two term y and 2 there are no x. Only in first term x is there, so that term we are mentioning here. Now what is the coefficient of x here? There is nothing. That means 1 is the coefficient of x. Fourth one, 5 plus z plus zx. Now in first two terms there are no x. So in third term x is there, so that term we are mentioning zx. Now along with x, z is there, so that we are mentioning here, that will be the coefficient of x. Z is the coefficient of x. Fifth one, 1 plus x plus xy. In first term there is no x, but in last two terms the x is there. So those two terms we are mentioning here, x and xy. So in first term coefficient is 1 and in second term coefficient is y. Even though y is not the first, yx is not there, but it is xy. In multiplication, xy and yx, the product will remain same. So y will be the coefficient of x. If we are writing like 3x or yx, or in these three terms, what will be the coefficient of x? So here 3 will be the coefficient of x, here y will be the coefficient of x, and here 7z will be the coefficient of x, because these are multiplication products. Whether you are writing at the front or at the back, the answer will remain the same. Sixth one, 12xy square plus 25. In first term only x is there, so that term we are writing 12xy square. Now along with the x, two terms are there, 12 and y square. So this both are the coefficient of x, that 12y square are coefficient of x. 7x plus xy square. In both of this term x is there, so we are mentioning here 7x first term and second term is xy square. Now in first term 7 is the coefficient, in second term y square is the coefficient of x. Exercise 12.1, question number 4b. Identify the terms which contains y square and give the coefficient of y square. So first, 8 minus xy square. This is algebraic expression. Now term with y square is the second term, that xy square, and that too along with the negative sign, minus xy square. Now coefficient of y square is minus x. Second, 5y square plus 7x. The term along with the y square is the first term. In second term the y square is not there, so we are writing only 5y square. Then coefficient of y square is 5. Third one, 2x square y minus 15x y square plus 7y square. So there are three terms here. In first term there is no y square. In second term y square is there, and in third term y square is there. So both of this term we are mentioning. First term minus 15x y square and second term is 7y square. So from first term coefficient is minus 15x. Don't forget to mention the negative sign as and when it will be along with the numbers or expression. Then in second term it is only 7.